Let's assemble a paper pattern. Once you have all the correct pages printed out, you'll need to take a few minutes to glue or tape it together and cut out each pattern piece. Here I have the boxy all printed out and ready to go. I'll show you two different ways to align the pages accurately. The first option is to use scissors or a paper cutter to cut the bottom off and the right margins of each page. Once you've done that, simply glue or tape them in order, being sure to carefully align the trim margin on the first page to the printed left margin on the second page. You can use the printing layout guide on page 8 of your Guston Steel Sew Guide to help you see how many pages should be placed across and down. The second option is to simply cut off the corners on the top and bottom of one side. This method is basically the same as the first, except that here you will be lining up the triangles at the corners. Choose whichever method you prefer. Once you have all the pages assembled, simply cut out the pattern pieces and you'll be ready to start working with your fabric.